Hey guys, it's Warren here, and would you believe it, I used to hate mushrooms, like really hate them. But I've now grown to love them. So here is my recipe for homemade mushroom soup. And this recipe is enough to serve 2 people. To begin with, take 1 medium to large sized onion, cut the ends off, slice in half and peel, then finely chop. Now take 3 garlic cloves and again cut the ends off and peel and finely chop, then set aside with the onion. Finally, take 400 grams of washed mushrooms and slice. Now take a large saucepan that's big enough to hold all of your ingredients. Place it over a medium to high heat on the stove, heat up some oil, then chuck in your chopped onion, sliced mushroom and chopped garlic. Fry these ingredients for between 5 and 10 minutes until most of the juices from the mushrooms have evaporated off. Next, crumble in 1 vegetable stock cube and season with some salt and generously with some ground pepper. You then need to top the contents of the saucepan up with some boiling water until the ingredients are just covered. Give everything a stir to make sure that stock and seasoning is all mixed in, then leave to simmer with the lid off for 15 minutes. Now, after the simmering time, remove the saucepan from the heat. Take a jug from a blender and carefully pour the hot soup into the jug. Then simply blitz the soup until lovely and smooth. You can also use a hand blender, but for best results use a freestanding blender. When you're happy with the consistency of your soup, stop blitzing, then pour the mushroom soup into a jug or a bowl. Now throw in 50 grams of Parmesan cheese and a handful of freshly chopped parsley. Mix it in, then your mushroom soup is ready to serve, and remember to reheat if necessary. Now, if you loved the look of this mushroom soup recipe, remember to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you again on Sunday for my next recipe, which actually also happens to have mushrooms in. Remember to subscribe to be one of the first to see it.